All right, so I have the Whal Pro Series high performing haircut kit that I'm going to be opening right here. So right here, it comes in a little briefcase-like looking packaging. And it says high performance attachments. It has all sorts of sizes. It starts at 1/2 and goes all the way up to, I don't know, 8 or R and L. I believe that's the taper settings. It says it's self-sharpening. That's one of the things that I wanted. Self-sharpening haircut clippers, because over time the clippers may become dull and then it snags your hair as you're cutting. So it says self-sharpening blades cuts through all types of hair and stays sharp longer. Adjustable lever for blending and fading, ultra power, heavy duty motor, long-lasting motor with exceptional power for no snag cutting. So this is the Whal Pro Series high-performing haircut kit. Let me go ahead and open this. Some of the features that it talks about on the side is stainless steel, secure snap on the side. Right there, I'm gonna show you that in a little bit, and some more of the details that it was talking about. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna go ahead, open it up from the bottom. Rather gently. And taking this out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull that back. I'm going to open it up and look at this. There is some information for reading. I'm not going to go over that really right now. And then this is the home haircut cutting kit. Home hair cutting kits right here for household use only. It shows different models that you can choose from. You can read that later. Warnings, remember to read your warnings and get a free gift. Okay, so you have that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out some of the things that come with the clippers before I actually pull out the clippers. Right here, zoom in a little bit. This is the clipper tools that come with it. Here are some attachments that we're talking about, and the clipper, how it clips on to the clipper head. Very different, a lot of assortment of guards or combs that you can attach to your hair clippers. I'm gonna put that to the side. And put that to the side and have a comb, nice comb that I could use. And right here is some clipper oil, which is good for keeping your clippers oiled and lubricated. And here is a travel bag. I believe, no, this is a cape that you put on to keep hair from getting on the person whose hair is being cut. Here's a brush for cleaning the clippers, getting all the debris off, keeping them clean. And here is a bag for keeping your clippers in, keeping them safe, and perhaps traveling with. All right, so that's the clipper bag. And we're gonna go ahead and get to the nitty-gritty. And here is the clipper itself. Kind of heavy feeling. It should be because of the powerful motor. And here is the power cable right there. And so the clippers has an adjustable head right there, so you can adjust it for different lengths that you desire. And the on-off switch, which is right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and perhaps see what it sounds like, so we can get you not a visualization, but a hearalization. I'm gonna go and plug this, and the cable is actually quite long, which makes it really effective for letting you hear how it sounds. So I'm gonna plug it in. So that is the sound of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. You can hear it. There's a lot of power coming in there. You can adjust the power with this right here, power level, and adjust it. So it sounds pretty nice, sounds very powerful. And that is the unboxing review of the Whal Professional Series hair clippers. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.